fancy that we can make like one item that's the big ticket item. That we're okay, 1/4 na tayo. Like we have like a wedding
So baka
dress.
magtitinda din tayo dyan sa labas.
Yeah, to people outside.
Sana.
I'm excited.
When we made the food for the Halloween fair, we weren't the ones selling them. We just prepared them.
Oh yeah, possible din.
What if it's like Huxler and then people come inside the activity room?
Probably. It's gonna be like a garage sale or something. But it's alright, let's just do it. But it's alright, let's just do it good even if we don't. Even if we're not the tinderas. I like to put the money to
Pero tama din yung sinabi ni Ali, siguro pwede tayo makapag-produce ng madami na mura.
Yeah.
Kasi kung mahal siya, baka
People won't want to buy.
damihan na lang natin at mura.
Quantity.
Like, let's say for girls, crop tops na like iba-ibang color but same design, you know, like for group of friends. Like, and all, like,
And we see what we have first.
or pairs.
'Cause we don't
like
know.
for boy and girl, you know.
Boyfriend, girlfriend shirts. Because that way instead of buying one, they have to buy two.
Friend goals.
That's a good strategy.
And who's medyo like good with their hands, like drawing. Maybe
Yeah, pwedeng paint, no?
paint or like even
I know how to make screens.
Customize, no.
or even
Yeah.
Isang
markers.
design ng 10 shirts. Bilis-bilisan. And then that's acrylic paint, you just iron it. It's stuck forever. Like it's not gonna wash out. It's not gonna fade. Yung
Sobrang,
mga shirts na hiwa dito. Boys wear those to the gym, girls wear those sports
With the
bras.
jeans, we make
Yeah, pwede
padded
natin,
jeans,
yeah.
Destroy
ripped
them,
jeans,
yeah.
Destroy them.
Yeah.
what
We
do you call
can
them, the
definitely do
3/4
that.
jeans for guys and the girls.
Fold it.
Above the knees.
like,
Like for jeans, you can like just fold it.
And then we can take
Skater
all the
jeans.
scraps and make like backpacks, purses, things like that. Especially, I don't know if they're gonna give us a sewing machine. It's much easier to sew denim with a machine. But kahit na hindi, we can still put it together. And all the shirts, I know a way you can make blankets even out of the fabric. You just tie it. You don't even have to sew. So we'll cut the sides, you know, and then everybody can tie it together. It's blanket, you know. It's not even a clothes.
madaming scholar yung matutulungan natin sa 20,000. Kasi imagine before, binibigyan nila ako 500 per week. So ilang 500 yung matutulungan natin pamasahe.
And you know how many people that will help.
Yeah.
Exactly, that's perfect. And you know their rates, how they help. Nice.
Ilan ang maipapapunta natin sa eskwelahan.
Buong semester na yun.
Yeah.
Sim na yun. Sang sem.
Same. This is fun. This is a good activity. I don't have to run around, poke stuff.
What is that? Pokpok is different.
Oh, okay.
Pokpok
I
is
need a martillo.
This is what I learned in 2 weeks of Tagalog.
What's up, guys? Pok and pok. What's the difference?
Pokpok is prostitute.
Okay, but how do you say it? Pok.
P-O-K.
Ah, so it's spelled different. Okay, I get pok.
No.
Not a
I've
good
been
way.
talking to Kuya all day, Kuya. But I was poking. Poking like that. I didn't know Kuya. Hindi ko alam.
Pokpok.
Mas magandang pass. I don't have to run around.
Parang saktong-sakto rin ito namin. Free weights ka, akala ko si Dan. Yung free weights ni Tanner si Pai eh.
Dati wala kaming previous. Hindi namin upuan. Parang hindi ko yun.
Baka pokpok.
Yeah, I have one of the shirts. Pokpok.
Macron.
Bang Macron.
Macron
is my boyfriend's name.
Macron.
It's like Marco and
Kron.
Macaron.
Marco Ron.
He is sabi mo, tinatawag mo.
Kron.
He said, Kron.
Ground.
Kron.
Kron, di ba movie yun? Di ba movie yun? Yung Growing Wheel.
Marunong ka talaga.
Di ba nila? Kron, di ba yung talagang masino yung wheel? Oo naman.
We're designing to bit whatever.
Saka pwede rin magturo ako nung nananahin na parang makina. Kung wala tayong makina.
Sabi ko story, kinalimutan mo naman.
Best friend.
Stage, no? Front stage, back stage.
May gilid pa. Parang spiral. Sa gilid lang. Pagdulo.
You're the girl and I'm the
Kasi
boy.
walang
Which is good thing because like you help with other people.
Jerome, sa States, hindi masyadong maraming home economics. Yung mga learn how to crochet or
Mga
Malilimit yung